Hello guys, welcome to KKR's channel. Today we are going to show you some charming items.
Do you like the amazing marble we just showed you? I think the answer is definitely yes. However, it's not marble.
It's a trendy and nature-inspired material produced by KKR, marble texture solid surface.
Speaking of marble, it has been used since 2000 years ago by the Greeks and Romans to create luxurious items for the wealthy. Because its natural veining and unique patterns create a timeless elegance and beauty that can enhance any space.
However, as time went by, marble gradually failed to meet some of the needs of people. Firstly, marble is heavy and expensive, which will bring more inconvenience in the process of use. Even minor adjustment might need more cost and manpower to achieve.
Secondly, marble is brittle, easily cracked and broken by external forces. Worse still, it's difficult to repair, which means you need to get a brand new one. Thirdly, marble is porous material and not seamless when jointed. This means that it is highly prone to liquids, stains, and bacteria. Especially in the kitchen, the occasional spill of oil or some other condiment can be difficult to clean up. Even worse, it can cause color infiltration and health problems.
So, is there a material that has both the beauty of marble but better performance? The answer is what we mentioned at the beginning of the video, marble texture solid surface. Compared with marble, it is much lighter and more durable and cost-effective. It doesn't require too much effort in transport, installation, and maintenance, which gives you great convenience.
Therefore, it can be used in many areas of the interior, such as bathrooms, kitchens, hospitals, and hotels.
Furthermore, solid surface is more gentle and gives you warm feeling. Even when touching it in the winter, it won't give you the frozen feeling like marble.
In addition, solid surface is non-porous, seamless, and can be processed into various kinds of products. Without the worry of germs and stains, it allows for a greater level of flexibility and creativity in design.
However, achieving a beautiful marble texture solid surface sheet is challenging.
Making the textures has natural and vivid flows just like marble is the first challenge.
Each texture takes 2 years or longer to evolve and optimize, but sometimes not even reach the expected result.
What's more, it's hard to control the stability of the texture in the same series of products like we just showed you. Without proven tech knowledge and extensive experience, you receive the same series of products with chaotic patterns, totally different from the sample you will show. Other than this, what else separates KKR from the others? Firstly, we can offer you 127 kinds of mass-producible texture solid surface sheets with a lively texture flow that is 99% like natural stone. And 80% of the texture is unique, and we are constantly working on new patterns, ensuring your market competitiveness. Secondly, KKR has exclusive SOPs for ensuring the stability of each texture, which is the essence, accumulated from 23 years of production experience.
These are the reasons why we are #1 marble texture solid surface product manufacturer in China.
And since 2008, KKR has been chosen by Dior and DW.
That's all we have in this video. Thanks for watching, guys. We will have more about solid surface video coming up. Be sure to subscribe. Leave us a comment below and we will get back to you soon. See you next time. Bye bye.